Yeah, you haven't been drinking your water?
I took a sip at the beginning, and then I haven't since.
You know we're recording, right?
Oh, cool.
Anyway, hello everyone, this is JPL, and today I'm joined with
Dwight.
And today we'll be reacting to RWBY Volume 2, Chapter 3, A Minor Hiccup. So there's a character that's going to be hiccuping in this chapter.
Oh, I thought they were just going to introduce Hiccup from How to Train Your Dragon. That's disappointing now.
No. So you should find out why they're hiccuping.
Okay. Why does anyone hiccup, really?
Oxygen and muscles. Anyway, so yeah, let's just get started in 3, 2, 1. Click.
Question answered. Problem solved. So easy. The world seemed so big before this moment. Rooster Teeth presents a person standing in the middle of a bridge. 4 people standing in the middle of a bridge. They got butterflies coming from their hair. Oh, now the whole school is butterflies. But not the whole school. Or leaves? Did you just catch something you didn't see before?
Yes. Yes.
Yes?
I did.
Yes.
I'll have to see that again in the next episode.
Okay.
Because that was...
Interesting how those the characters that she was just fighting were all monotone colors. I like that. It's very stylistic. I like the fighting and the stylism in this show. It's pretty great. Sorry.
Pretty great.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
He noticed something.
I did.
He's gonna wait to see. Again.
So, Weiss, you know, I was thinking after this, maybe we could go grab a bite to eat. And, you know, well, I've got 2 tickets to that new Spruce Willis movie if you want to make the trip to Vale.
Spruce Willis?
Awesome.
Wow.
And
what an entertainment.
maybe after that, we could study together? I mean, you're smart, and I'm a...
Right.
You know.
And then
I like how he was just rambling random nonsense in the background.
That happens all the time in classes. They time it wrong.
Yeah.
Weiss?
Especially Bible classes.
No, no, yes.
My professors always try to get me out of class early. It's great. Not all of them. Some of them are awful, but...
Yes, outfits.
It's time to put on clothes like you do.
Alright guys, today's the day. The investigation begins!
I'm glad to see we're taking this so seriously. Hey, we've got a plan. That's moderately serious.
Right. Everyone remember their roles?
What's with their poster?
You and I will head to the CCT to check this
Reference, I'm guessing?
Probably.
I don't know the reference.
Seeing as I'm in the family, it shouldn't be a problem.
The White Fang has regular faction meetings to hand out orders and recruit new members.
It's rather light shirt for her.
Find out what they're planning. I have an old friend on the shady side of town that
Not bad.
knows everything going on in Vale. Getting information out of him shouldn't be too hard.
Great, we'll meet up tonight.
She gonna flirt?
Over what we found. Let's do this.
Aggressively, yes.
Aggressively flirt.
Son.
Oh hey, it's Monkey Boy.
How did you get up there?
Monkey Boy, Monkey Boy, does whatever a monkey do.
So, are we
Monkey see,
back at that torture
monkey do.
We
Son.
are going to investigate the situation.
Son do.
As a team.
Don't.
Sorry, son. We don't want to get friends involved if we don't have to.
That's dumb. You should always get.
Apparently you can make a noise with your mouth like this.
Sup?
How did you even
Neptune, that's blue-haired boy's name.
Seriously though, can I come in? We're like really
It's difficult.
right now.
Alright, I'll go with Weiss. Son, you can go with me. And Neptune, you can go with Yang since she doesn't have a partner. Everyone good? Actually, Ruby, why don't you go with Yang?
The noise comes from rubbing, like from blowing your lips together.
Weiss, who would go with you then?
Well,
And if they're not together, it doesn't work.
No, can't do it.
It doesn't work.
I forget how big the transmit tower looks so close. You should see the one in Atlas. That was the first one, right?
correct. Atlas developed the cross-continental transmit system to allow the 4 kingdoms to communicate with one another.
It's like
It was their
Wi-Fi.
gift to
Cool.
the world after the Great War.
Ooh,
Thanks,
look at me.
Expedition.
Yes.
My name is Weiss. I know facts. I'm rich.
At least they're making fun of it.
Yes.
Besides, the only reason we're here is because you like the tower so much. We could have just as easily made a call from the library.
I know, but it's so cool. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture. Ah,
Whoops.
Oh,
There goes her phone thing.
you dropped this.
It's Penny.
Penny!
Uh,
where have you been?
My favorite
We haven't
not
seen you since the
robot?
night at the docks.
sorry.
Yeah.
I think
Not?
you're
Okay.
confused.
I know, she just seems
thought
kind of
you were-
inorganic. Maybe
What's
she's
that
not a robot. She just, that's what
I
has,
don't know.
how she struck me at
I'm going to
first.
find out. You go make your call. I'll meet up with you later.
Penny, Penny.
Wait,
I'm still trying to figure out what character she is. Don't tell me.
Penny, where have you been? It's been weeks.
There seems to be a misunderstanding.
We'll see. We'll find out.
Penny,
You'll see.
I'll see.
See how
is
smart you are.
everything okay? Penny, please stop. Look, I don't know what's wrong, but you have to
She's
listen. to
very
me.
styled
Those
movement.
guys we fought at the docks, we think they're up to something big, something bad. I need you to tell me
Big
what
and
happened to you that
bad
night.
is
Please, as a
very
friend.
bad.
It isn't safe to talk here.
Why isn't it safe to talk? Is it dangerous
They're
to talk
always
there?
watching. They're always watching, you know. You
We're,
never know who's watching.
we're watching. What if they're afraid of us?
That'd be a shame. It's a good show.
Yeah. They never shared information after that in front of the cameras. Or people who aren't cameras.
Absolutely. Could you please place your scroll in the terminal to verify your identity? Perfect. Thank you, Miss Schnee.
What did it call her?
Miss Schnee.
Oh, right. I forgot that was her last name. Or family name. Yeah.
Welcome to
Holographic receptionist.
I need to make a call to Schnee Company World Headquarters in Atlas.
Absolutely. If you could head over to Terminal 3, I'll patch you through.
Thank you.
So is a hologram pushing buttons, or is that a woman actually pushing buttons from a different part?
That's what I'm wondering. I feel like she's probably elsewhere.
But
being projected in there.
The way that you know the hologram is acting, it
button?
sounds like she's a hologram.
Calling the Atlas
True.
AI.
Miss Schnee, good afternoon. Would you like
Oh.
me to patch you through to your father? I think your sister Winter might be
Does she
here
have a
as well.
nose?
No, thank you. I
Yes.
was actually wondering if you could.
Doesn't
check the
look like
files.
she has
You
a
know when
nose.
their face
I
is
can
straight on,
probably
they
show
don't have a
this.
nose.
Oh, I see.
I see. If you don't mind, what may I ask of
It's
you
weird.
for?
She's got like
She
a.
has a sister.
Project.
Oh yeah, I heard that. Winter.
There were some
Yes.
sensitive documents on
Nice.
this list, ma'am.
She's coming.
Well then, I'll be sure to treat them with care.
Right. Very well. The data's being transferred to your school now.
Wonderful.
It's
will
that
be all
easy.
Probably getting
Would
fired.
you like me to patch you through to your father before you go?
done. Yes, I'm sure.
She probably did.
Well then, have a nice
Knowing her
day.
father, you know.
Uh oh. Whoopsie. Is it safe to talk here? We're still watching.
I wish I could help you, Ruby, but I don't know anything about those men.
Well, what happened to you that night? We were all together, and then you just disappeared. Were you kidnapped?
Oh, no, nothing like that.
Well, then where did you go?
I've never been to another kingdom before. My father asked me not to venture out too far, but you have to understand, my father loves me very much. He just worries a lot.
Believe me, I know the feeling.
Wait a minute.
Why not let us know?
Is she
you're
Pinocchio?
I was asked
Wow.
not to talk to you.
Wow.
Or Weiss, or
I'm not
Blake,
saying.
or Yang,
Okay.
anybody really.
Was
'Cause
Dad
That's an
upset?
interesting thought.
No,
I don't know. She's got the. She seems like she could be walking like a marionette, and she's got those strings attached to swords on her. And her name is Penny Pinocchio. She's got a worrisome father, like Geppetto.
Did you just say pedo?
Geppetto.
Geppetto.
Yeah. Uh-oh, we got robot soldiers.
Presenting the Elysian Knight.
Fun.
Smarter, sleeker, and admittedly.
And they can kick the backs of the heads of other robots, apparently.
That's their function.
The Elysian military has always supported the
Good old Tin Men.
men from the dangers of the battlefield. However, there are still many situations that undoubtedly require a human touch.
Ruby.
So, our kingdom's greatest minds, in cooperation with the Schnee Dust Company, are proud to introduce
Bum, bum, bum.
Mech suit.
Now, we couldn't have them here for you today, but these mechanized battle
Wait a minute.
seen defending the borders.
We've seen mechanized suit things before.
Yes,
Ruby,
a different type.
Maybe we should
Okay.
go somewhere
Yes.
else.
In the trailer, black.
Trailer. You were sabotaging stuff.
Penny? Wait, where are you going?
Probably running away from
And that's
those
where they
guys.
had those robots
Uh-huh.
fighting. And that.
Okay.
Down here. She went this way.
Oh no, he hit me.
Wow. That guy.
Armor and.
If you don't look, always look both ways before crossing the road, unless you're wearing super armor.
Yes.
This way!
Whee! Also, don't run out in the road on accident either. Unless you can stop a bus with your bare hands.
Penny?
Great advice.
That's my lesson for you today, kids. Safety first.
Their hairs are weird.
It is.
It's one thing about their textures. And their recolors, you know.
Uh-huh.
Penny! Please! What is going on? Why are you running? How did you do that?
This is coming from a girl who can, like,
Everything's
super
fine.
jump.
I don't want to talk
Oh,
about
now she's
it.
got hiccups.
Penny, if you can just tell me what's wrong, I can help you.
No.
She's nervous?
No, you wouldn't understand.
Let me try.
I
You
don't
can
know why she has
trust me.
hiccups.
You're my friend, right? You promise you're my friend?
It might be clearer next
promise.
chapter.
Uh-huh.
Ruby, I'm not a real girl. Oh.
I mean,
Bum, bum, bum.
you were, right in saying robot, but
Okay.
I think android
Android. Okay, that's fair.
is a better term because personality.
Right, but wrong.
Yes, and that I use that to get you off course.
Throw me off.
Yes.
Salutations, friends.
So yes, that thing coming out of her backpack. Thing.
I got no strings. So, wait a minute. She does have strings.
Yes.
What?
What?
I don't know.
What?
I don't know.
So yeah, Penny.
Penny's an android.
You didn't figure out the whole thing about hiccups.
No.
It'll be clear in next chapter.
Okay.
Much. Anyway, so your thoughts.
So we got android people.
Mm.
And
Android people.
we got fired employees, probably. I didn't quite catch what they were trying to get from the parents' company.
Oh, so they're trying to get like information about dust
Okay.
and
Oh, right.
robberies.
They were looking for what was going on with those bad men at the docks.
Yes, shipments with dust, dust being robbed
Right.
and such.
But we didn't see the three bad students this
No.
chapter.
Not this time.
So remain to see what happens with those bad students. I just wish they'd be better students. Then they'd have like a 4.0 grade average.
Yeah, you know. So, yes. Anything else?
I don't think so.
Okay. All right. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you all next time. Bye.